This 2016 Coachmen Prism 2150 LA is a Class C RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2016 Coachmen Prism 2150 LA is built on a Freightliner 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.